Okay. Exercise 6. I actually don't use this a whole lot, but there are these old-time selection tools here, and what you do is select like the lasso tool and, well, let's draw around just one letter. And I don't draw with a mouse very well, so that's one of the reasons why I don't particularly like this tool. And most people don't. They've come up with a lot of different ways of doing this that are better than these tools. But there are some kind of fun things I'm going to show you once you have it selected. Let's go up here and well, let's zoom in on it first, and I'll show you how you can add and subtract. I've got off the reservation here a couple of places, so I would like to take this hump off, and so I'm going to draw a reasonably straight line here and come around and connect it, and there, it took it off. And if I want to add, I'm going to hold down the Shift key, and we will add over here. And then come around to the other end of our drawing, and there we go. A little tedious, or maybe a lot tedious, but this was one of the first ways that you got to select things in Photoshop. Oh, I went and did the wrong thing, didn't I? I want to take that bump away. So, well, I'm back and goodbye bump. Alright, now Command 0 goes back to full screen, and let's see what kind of adjustments we can make. Let's make a levels adjustment. I showed you curves, and this is a little different way of doing it, but this side is all the darks, and we're going to move it around and watch what happens just to what I selected. So I'm making the red a little darker, and we're going to move the midpoint again there, and the white point's going to stay where it is. So, okay. And remember, this is not an adjustment layer. I'm doing it to this picture, so I want to make sure that when I save it, I do a save as, so that I don't ruin my original. Now, I'm going to go up here and select the inverse again, which is everything but that K, and we'll do another image adjustment. Come on, help me out here. Hue and saturation. And I can do all kinds of stuff, but we're going to desaturate the color in this image down to almost black and white. Click OK. Command D to deselect everything, and File, and this is where this is going to work out really great, because saving for web does not do anything to your original image, and we want 700 pixels across. Click in the height box, and it will give us an approximation of its size, and save. And we're going to put it in our exercises as, what's this one, E6. And there we are. Okay.